Hi guys. Welcome again to my channel, hope you all are doing great. Today I am here with portrait editing in Lightroom. Free preset for Lightroom, link in description, all you need is a password, so make sure you watch the video till the end. The preset includes desktop version as well. In the package, you'll get XMP file which can be taken photo edit in Lightroom Classic and on Photoshop RAW filters. If you are using Lightroom on a tablet or a mobile phone, there is a DNG file as well, where you can copy to other photos. Please support us by giving a like and subscribing, we will be providing high-quality stuffs. Without further ado, let's start. This is a preview of the Lightroom preset, before and after applying. Let's make your photos look amazing with our preset. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell. Let's take an adventure's ride on magical world of Lightroom.
Password consists of 4 numbers and the password will appear on top right corner as a card.
Let's go to Lights panel. Change exposure to -0.12. Highlights to -65. And now shadows to 64. Now change the whites to 10 and blacks to -24. Now select Colors panel and change temperature to 10. Now change the saturation and vibrance to 10. Change the color mix for different colors. On red, change hue to -36 and luminance to 10. On orange, saturation to -36 and luminance to 10. On yellow, change the hue, all the way to -100. Then saturation to 26. And luminance to -16. On green, hue to -60. and then saturation all the way to -100. After that, luminance to 12. On aqua, hue to -60. Saturation to -100. On blue, hue to -32. Saturation all the way to -100. And then luminance to 8. Now on both purple and magenta, change saturation and luminance to -75. Now on Effects panel, change the texture to 2. Now clarity to 10. After that, dehaze to -2. Change vignette to -40. Go to Profiles and select Vintage 10. Now go to Lights panel and select Tone Curve. Look at this, you'll have a better idea. Now copy the settings and paste it to other photos.